Let's see how to boost your Google reviews using a simple QR code chatbot. So this particular demo can be used or applied to any local business with a physical location. So the idea is to have some sort of QR codes or product inserts in your location or the store. For example, this is for an example of a dental office which says scan this particular QR code to leave a review on Google listing, something like that. And this simply works for any sort of local business. As I mentioned, for example, if for a restaurant, you can actually have QR codes to link to the menu, and after that, after like few hours or like in a day, you can simply follow up with them and ask them to leave a review on the Google as well. So let's see how to build one over here. Now I am in the analytics section of the account, so let me go to the flows over here. So let's create a new flow and name this one as Google reviews booster, and let me name this one as Google reviews booster. Click continue. So here I'm in this particular flow. So as soon as they scan the QR code, you have to set what sort of message you want to send to them. So you can have this working on any channels as you see here. So if you want to have this on the messenger, you can do that. Otherwise you can also have it working on a separate browser or the web chat as well. So let's build one and test this on both of the channels over here. So let's start with here, let's add the message something like this: thanks for your recent visit, how would you rate our service? And here we are going to provide them an option with the stars. So here let's search for the star right here, and here let me simply copy paste 5 stars over here and say love it. And likewise I'm going to do 4 stars, and I want to add another button and name this one as like it. Similarly, I want to do the 3 star and say okay, and let's do like 2 stars over here and say not bad, and let's do 1 star and say very bad. So here we are actually providing 3 options for the customers to choose from, and here let's say if they say love it, that's great, and we can simply say would you mind leaving a quick review on Google? Please tap the button below. So here let's send this message as well. So let's add a hand down. All right, that's great. Would you mind leaving a quick review on Google? Please tap the button below. And even if they say 4 star, we can do the same thing as well. So here we have to generate a link for your business page, review page on Google. For that, let's search as dentist office in Texas. Let's use the maps option over here, and we should see some dental offices as you see here. So let's choose this one. So here let's choose this one, and here choose the reviews option over here, and here you can simply copy paste this particular URL. So we can use that link over here. So here let's use this link and say leave review here, and you can add some sort of emojis as well. All right, and that's it. And here if they say okay, or if they say not bad, or if they say very bad. And here what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to send this sort of message. Thanks for sharing it. Would you mind sharing on what went wrong or how we can improve our service further? So let me add this message as well. Would you mind sharing on what went wrong or how we can improve our service further? And here let's add a action over here as well. So here you can actually notify the admins as well. So here notify specific admins saying, so here if you want to track that particular customer, you can simply ask them for their appointment number or what is their name as well. So here let's ask for their name as well. So here in the text, here you can choose for their full name, and let me remove the skip button as well. Alright, so here, thank you, please enter your name as well. So here using the name, they will be able to track the conversation as well. So here I'm going to do here is that I'm going to simply connect this one at the end. So when we send the notification, here we can add a variable full name has just shared a negative feedback. So let me say negative feedback. So here we are asking for their negative feedback and also asking for the name that a particular agent can follow up with them later as well. So simple as that. Let me click publish. So we have created a simple Google reviews booster chatbot. So if they've shared a good feedback, we simply ask them to review. Otherwise we will simply ask them the negative feedback and also collect the name and notify the admin so that they can actually follow up with the customer for further details. As I mentioned, you can test this on the messenger or on the web chat channel as well. So here if you click on get published link, you can get links for each of these channels right here. So first let's create a QR code on messenger over here. So you can simply use this particular copy link over here, and here you can use our tools section over here, and in tools you have the magic link option. In magic links, click on add the URL, and here messenger Google reviews. So here if you click continue, the QR code will be generated, and here get QR code. So if you scan this particular QR code, it simply opens the messenger and they will be prompted to provide these reviews over here. So if you don't want to use the messenger, if you want just a browser, as soon as they scan the QR code, here you can get the published link over here and simply choose the option of web chat as you see here. Copy this one. So here let's create another magic link and name this one as web chat Google reviews and simply paste this link. So what happens is that when they scan this particular QR code right here, they will be prompted to open their browser, and from there they can simply leave a review or rating as well. So they don't need to have messenger or other channels in their mobile phone to share your experience as well. So it simply works. So I'm going to scan this particular QR code on my mobile, and it simply opens Chrome over here. So here I have just received this sort of message. Thanks for your recent visit. How would you rate our service? So here if I put a 5-star rating, let's see what happens. And it says that's great. Would you mind leaving a quick review on Google? Please tap the button below, and here review here. Tap on this button. It simply opens the Google Maps over here as you see here, and it simply opens this particular business over here. So that's a simple demo on how to get more Google reviews for your business. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.